Lots of people understand the massive power of YouTube. As the #2 search engine on the planet, it's an amazing platform for getting free organic traffic. So, perfect for newbies and struggling marketers, right? Well, sort of. You see, there's a big problem. Most new marketers don't really want to make review videos. They don't want to put themselves on camera or even to do voiceovers. Perhaps they're nervous, or perhaps they don't have English as their first language. Either way, it means that all of that high quality free traffic remains out of their reach. Until now. Introducing the gold standard. One of my top students, Arinze Gold, came to me with a really successful method that he had been using to create YouTube videos without putting himself on camera. I checked it out and it works a treat. Arinze agreed to share the method with you, and so now he has created the gold standard. Using this product is easy in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick up a copy of the gold standard before the price goes up. Step 2. Watch the short, easy to follow videos and set up your system. And step 3. Rinse and repeat for free organic traffic from YouTube whenever you need it. But don't delay. When the launch period ends, the price really will go up. So buy today, or you could end up paying a lot more when you come back. Stop settling for bronze or for silver. Pick up the gold standard today, and we'll see you on the inside. Okay, so I just want to record a very quick demo of the gold standard. As you can see, this is the members area, and when you come in here you'll see the welcome video from me, buttons to join YouTube channel and the exclusive Facebook group, and then a welcome from Arinze Gold himself, who is under there. But before we do that, I just wanted to do the usual thing that people do on these demo videos, which is just to show a bit of income proof. So I'm just going to head over to my Warrior Plus account right now. Obviously you can see the figures on the sales page, but this is literally right up to date, 2nd of August. So I'm just going to click refresh so you can see that updating. Just bear with me, it's just going through. There it goes. Yeah. So as you can see, the last 30-day figures are $33,266.89. It has been up as high as $41,000 last month. So you can see that screenshot actually on the sales page underneath. And that has gone up from an average of around 20,000 at the same stage last year. So as you can see, it has been, you know, considerable growth over a sustained period of time, which means that the techniques we teach inside the Elite Tigers group, of which obviously the gold standard is part, do actually work, and they do deliver, you know, good quality monthly incomes. Obviously the gold standard is just a part of that. It's a beginner's level course, or for those that take the first steps on that part of the ladder. I'm not saying that you're going to implement the stuff inside the gold standard and suddenly start earning 33,000 a month. No, I'm not saying that, but what I'm saying is it's the important first part on the ladder, which if you combine it with, you know, the other trainings inside the Elite Tigers group, will enable you to get to those sorts of figures. So what we find inside the gold standard, well, as I said, you've got the welcome, you've got the overview, and then we go into the main training section from Arinze Gold himself. Then we've got some additional resources for you, a massive bundle of products which are actually going to fill in a lot of the gaps for you anyway, from anything not covered in this course, and even some free squeeze pages to use. And we do actually show you, you know, how to use the resources and how to promote as well. So it's a concise course. it is the gold standard because we think for the first time, this is explained in a really clear to follow way how you can, get started if you've tried other methods and haven't succeeded with them. Arinze explains things in a way that you can do this without any email list, without any website, without putting yourself on camera, and without having English as your first language. So whichever category you're in, you can succeed with the gold standard, and we both look forward to seeing you inside the members area.